Hey guys, welcome to Cry of Fear. Be quiet real quick. I've always felt they're ready for me.
My whole life. For as long as I can remember. I don't know if I like it. Or if I'm just used to it. But I do know this. Being lonely does things to you. Feeling shit, bitter and angry all the time just eats away at you.
The graphics aren't 100%, but I mean, they're good as there is, really. I mean, I think this is also a co-op game. So, I've never played this. I've seen a couple of videos off my friend's channel. That's where I got the idea to do this. Leon5238 is linked to his channel, will be in the description below. But, yeah. So, there I am. It looks sad. Well, I am alone, but oh, am I crying? My new girl. I've seen like just a little bit of this game. I haven't really ever played it. I don't know anyway the beginning's gonna be, so it should be interesting. Where is everybody? That's my question. I mean, I know he said he's alone, but I don't know if it means the entire world.
Somebody.
Oh, there.
Shit. What happened?
Oh. Okay, did not want to see that. Alright, okay, I would say viewer discretion advised, because that was bloody. No. This is... Oh, no. No, this is like my worst fear. hate this the most. Oh. Alright, dead body. Nothing. Dead body in there. Oh god, I don't do good with horror games. Can I not get through the door? Party? Oh god, I knew this wasn't gonna be. I knew this was classified as a horror, but I didn't know it was gonna be scary. Oh god. Whose stupid idea was oh my god.
Where am I? How did I get here?
Alright, in part 2 I'm gonna try to get a face cam up because this actually just scared me and that would have been a nice reaction. I don't want to get moving. I want to just sit down and take a dang nap. Oh, yeah, I got a knife. Mobile phone. I don't know what it is. Anybody come down my house, I'm gonna stab you. I can't parkour, you know? Did this in, like, when I was a kid, you know? Screw you! Who the dang game creators to have a little word with you scare me so much? Get a heart attack. What the heck is that? Ooh, you use a computer. I don't know a username or password. I mean, I watched the video, and this is like the point where I watch and know what will happen here. But I don't actually know anything else than that. Like, I have no idea where to get the password from, or... Ooh, piece of paper. Rose. R-O-S-E-S-A-R. R-O-S-E-S-A-R-E-R-E-D. Can I take the paper? Like, so. Oh. EA45. EA45. EA45 and Rosar. Maybe that's the password. And I think EA45 is the password. So you just need to get this. R-O-S-E-S-A-R-E-R-E-D. So R-O-S-E-S-A-R-E-R-E-D. R-O-S-E-S-A-O-R-E-D. Better be right. R-O-S-A-R-O-S-A-S-E-O-R-D. Rosard. EA45. I'm almost positive the password's gonna be EA45. I mean, EA45 sounds like a real password, you know? I mean, it's a weak password, but I mean, still, it sounds like a password. R-O-S-E-S-A-R... Oh, okay, so roses are red. Oh my gosh, I'm so stupid. Oh my gosh. Roses are red. Violets are blue. Roses are red. EA45. What? Maybe EA45 is the username? Because roses are red. I would have never guessed that. Roses are red. Alright, 9134. Alright, there's gonna be a guy at that window. Hey, bud. Get your white behind over here so I can stab you. Now, where'd I come from? This one? Yeah. Gosh dang it, I forgot the passcode. 9145. Is that it? Why couldn't the door just open without it having to go all black in the first place? 9134, 9134, 9134, 9134, 9134, 9134, went. Yeah. 9134. 9134, 9134, 9134, 9872, JK 9134. 9134, 9134, 9134. 9134, 9134, 9134. Where the heck am I? I'm scared. 9134, 9134. Hopefully this is the way I came from this. 9134, 9134, 9134, 9134. Meow 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 meow. 9134, 9134, 913334. 9134. 3, 4. Alright. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to end this video here. Until next time, I'll see y'all later guys. And try to get that camera up. See you guys. Bye. Not PewDiePie. Suck at that. See you guys.